This video is a roadmap for front-end development. Step 1. Learn the basics. Every web developer must have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Responsive design is used in all types of modern web applications. ECMAScript 5 is supported in all modern browsers. Take a good look at it, especially in the neo-arrive functions. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language for web pages. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. www is about communicating between clients and servers. Communication between clients' computer and web servers is done by sending HTTP requests and receiving HTTP responses. CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed. Responsive web design is about using HTML and CSS to automatically resize a website. Responsive web design is about making a website look good on all devices like desktop, tablets, and phones. JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language for the web. JavaScript can update and change both HTML and CSS. It can calculate, manipulate, and validate data. Let's go for step 2 in front-end development roadmap. You have to dig deeper. When you feel comfortable with HTML and CSS, it's time to dig deeper. You should learn how to use maps, fonts, and icons in HTML. On the JavaScript side, you should learn how to access the HTML document object model, or DOM. You should also learn how to use Ajax and JSON for making server requests. Step 3, which is choosing framework. Now it's time to look at some frameworks. On the CSS side, you should choose a framework for responsive web design, like Bootstrap. On the JavaScript side, you should learn at least one modern frameworks like jQuery, React, or Angular, or Vue. Maybe the popularity of jQuery has passed the top, but it's still the most used JavaScript framework. Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the most popular CSS framework for developing responsive and mobile-first websites. Bootstrap 4 is the newest version of Bootstrap. jQuery. jQuery is a JavaScript library and it greatly simplifies JavaScript programming. jQuery is very easy to learn. AngularJS lets you expand HTML with HTML attributes called directives. AngularJS directives offer functionality to HTML applications. AngularJS provides built-in directive and user-defined directives. React.js. React is a JavaScript library created by Facebook. It's a user interface library and it's a tool for building UI elements. That's all about roadmap for front-end web developments. Find your way and stick to it. Bye-bye.